Hey guys, I want to get more into making videos, so I thought, why not take you guys with me to go fill up one of my vending machines? Come along.
All right, our first stop at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what we can find.
I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
Alright guys, taking out the stuff that didn't sell or has an expiration date. Putting the expired stuff there. Filling in the new. Alright, we got it refilled. Now we collect our cash. There we go.
We let the story begin. We're going out on our first date.